Look like it could match. What y'all think? Cardi and Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we are reviewing the Dunk High Cargo Khaki. And this is deemed 2021, but they came out last week. I know why. Don't worry. I'm here for the knowledge. These were supposed to drop May last year, and they didn't come out. But I was able to get them off the Nike app, not the sneakers app, the Nike app last week, and they shipped really, really fast. If you don't know, these dropped in 2017. Is the last time we seen this colorway. And out of all the Dunk High colorways, this one here to me is like mid-tier or bottom tier. And that's not really too bad to say because people don't like Dunk Highs at all. I don't know why. I've owned a couple over the years. The Concept, Turka Dunkin'. I had a lot of them. I didn't keep them. The only ones I kept were the Concept Ugly Christmas Sweater. I just think these are so dope, man. They like one of the OG dunks. They came in the OG box colorway, so I just got like some sentimental to this sneaker. So this is the reason this is the only high still in my collection. But I feel like these Cargo Khaki joints are clean, man. Clean. I was playing around with the LED color lights, and to be honest, every time a color hits it, the sneaker looks that color. I mean, up close and personal here with just white lights, of course, it's that army green. They calling it Cargo Khaki, but to me it's like an army green look. And clean shoe, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it comes in your red to orange, dark orange, red Nike box, or your Nike Dunks that really is not an SB or doesn't have some kind of theme or hype to it, comes in this box here. So you could call it the OG box. Large Nike logo on the top, big swoosh, or your bells and whistles on the bottom. There go the tag there. And the tag reads Nike Dunk High Retro White Cargo Khaki. Open the lid. Get your regular white tissue paper. No accessories, no different shoestrings. Let's get a 360 4K view of it. So I know y'all can see the green I was telling you guys about up close. And to be honest, it looks just like the 2017 version. Nothing changed at all. The toe box here is soft, guys. Look at that bounce. Soft toe box, man. Around the toes, that's where all your Cargo Khaki is all around. The swoosh is the same color, sandwiched in a whole bunch of white. The back tab, making it a high, is also in that Cargo Khaki color, sandwiched with white again. The inside looks just like the outside of the shoe. The Nike Dunk logo at the top is in that cargo green also. And it's simple, but it's a dope touch, man. Coming down, your shoelaces is also the same color as the sneaker in the cargo color. If you've seen one bottom of a Nike Dunk, a Uptown, a Jordan 1, you've seen them all. Here's the Nike Dunk High Cargo. Same color as the overall sneaker. The insoles look to be like a mesh design, but that's just the design of it. It is the same material as any other insole, but it does look like it can reflect, and on top of that it has a bright orange Nike sole, so I believe it should reflect a little bit when hit to light. The left shoe is the same as the right shoe, nothing different. Even the insoles are the same. The tongue is the same. Shoelaces is the same. Now when it comes to dunks, man, y'all know me. But I'm more of a SB dunk type guy. That extra support at the bottom, the fat thick tongue. That's what I love. It's some dunks out there, low top, that I love, like the veneers, and I'll put some up there so y'all can review them. But when it comes to highs, there's not too many that I fall in love with. Like I told y'all, the concept ugly Christmas sweater joints was like one of my favorite dunk highs ever. And also the Turkish Dunkers I kind of loved. I had the special box, but I knew I just wasn't going to put it on feet anytime soon. And that is a kind of sneaker, like I was telling you about themed sneakers, that is something you can only wear around Thanksgiving or the holidays. This cargo khaki sneaker is clean. Put on a nice blazer, something of that sort. This sneaker is a go, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this sneaker. Did y'all cop? Like I told you, I got them off the Nike.com app, not the sneakers app. And lately, the Nike.com app been having some steals and deals and some hyper beast things, man. Y'all know I'm 94% hype beast. If you notice, you only could get the Air Jordan 1 lows on the Nike.com app, not the sneakers app. I mean the shadows, the breads, the golfs. I put some more reviews up there so y'all can see what I've been getting off the Nike.com app. So don't sleep on that app, guys. This is a review on the cargo khaki joints. I think I paid $120 with tax and shipping from Nike. If you look on the StockX right now, the 2017 pair and this pair are neck and neck in pricing. It wasn't like that 2 weeks ago. As you can see, somebody paid $800 for the 2017 version. They're probably somewhere kicking themselves in the shower crying. I don't know what made them do that, but they're both going for around $160, $140, $119, anywhere between that $100 and $150 price tag. Retail was $120, so resellers would be mad, but this is a sneaker that I think if you want, you just cop. The black and white Panda joints are restocking again, and believe it or not, guys, your boy ain't been able to get a pair yet. Every time they've been restocking, I've been doing something busy. I've been seeing the lines outside. I'm like, yo, that line is too long. I can't do it. Wish me luck, man. It's time that I bring the Pandas home. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.